Hello class, happy Friday. As we look ahead to the next few days, I want to kind of talk about what our plan is. Today, Friday, September 18th, we are going to do a order of operations review. Here it says paper review, but it's really going to be in PDF form. Ms. Hoffman and I will post that along with an answer key so you can check your answers. On Monday, we are going to have a virtual quizzes review using the quizzes online game. And if you're in class, we'll play it in class. You'll be able to join online during our class time as well, and possibly at other times. And then on Tuesday, we're looking at finishing up Unit 1 with a quiz or assessment to kind of see what you know. Now, we're never always done with order of operations. The night will be with us all year, no matter what unit we're on. We're going to continue to use order of operations. But that's kind of the lineup for what we're doing. I'm going to quickly show you what the review looks like. So to show you what the review looks like, we have one question that asks you what the steps are. So this line here is where you combined this step. And this line is the answer to what you combined above it. Over here, this kind of gets into more information that we're going to do, I guess, later on in the year, but kind of get you to think ahead with variables. So you've got to take this information and figure out what goes here and then calculate it. Moving down, you can see with the order of operations, things get a little more complicated and more ties might be happening. Remember, when it comes to parentheses, you always do the innermost parentheses first. When it comes to exponents, you always do the highest exponent, get an answer to that group before you move on to the one that's a step below it. Remember, with the order of operations, it's parentheses and exponents, but when you get to multiplication and division, you need to work from left to right, just like in addition and subtraction. Our last two questions on the review deal with what is the second or the third step. In order to know that, Ms. Hoffman and I want you to calculate and come up with an answer to the question, and then look back at your work and see what the second or third step is. If it was me, I would use my marker board that we sent you home with. You could also use a notebook or a scratch piece of paper, but it's helpful to track your work. Ms. Hoffman and I show our work every time we do these two to help us catch our mistakes. Have a good day.